Hello everyone. So I just shared with you my little essential oil box from Simply Earth essential oils. I filmed that and I posted. I like to separate it, and I just wanted to let you guys know what I received in my little October box. I do have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys now, so let's get right into it. You guys have been probably seeing that I have been going on a Dollar Tree spree. I went to so many Dollar Trees, and of course I'd never left empty-handed. As much as I wish I did, I didn't. So let's try to go through this super quick. I got little mini Ritz crackers. These are the s'mores. I didn't realize that they were actually graham crackers. At first when I bought them, I thought they were the original Ritz crackers with marshmallow and chocolate. It went right over my head. I was like, ew, that doesn't look the greatest, but maybe my kids might enjoy it, so I bought one box. Then I'm at the Dollar Tree and I'm chatting with someone in the aisle, and she says, oh my god, she was like loading up the cart with them. She says, my kids love these. I'm like, really? I bought one box, but we haven't even opened it yet. She says, oh, they're so good. And then I asked, are they the original Ritz crackers? She says, no, they're graham crackers. And it doesn't specify that here. It just says s'mores crackers with chocolate and marshmallow filling. It doesn't say it's graham, right? So I was like, well, if that's the case, I better buy another one. So guess what? The other box is gone. I didn't even get to share it with you guys in a previous haul. And I have this one here. So now the kids do like them. I actually ate most of them. There's not a lot in a bag, so don't make me feel so bad. All right, I did get 3 of the giant cones. These are making their rounds all around the Dollar Trees. There's different sizes, but I got 3 of them. You can also find them at your dollar store with more, but I believe they're $1.49 a piece. These are the 9.5 inch ones. Now I made super cute twined up furry trees last year. It's the same thing. I love them out on my like side hutch tables and stuff like that around the house. I plan to do the same with them. They're so easy to do. If you want to follow that DIY, I will link it down in the description below. I made some gnomes with no rice and no foam cones. And then I made the little trees using the foam cones. So there's a 3-pack of these, the smaller ones. These are 11 centimeters, 4.3 inches tall. And then I got 1 pack of the 5.9 inches tall. So that way I have like an assortment of little trees. This one is a little bit taller than this one. And then these ones are the tall ones. And to be honest with you, there should be even a taller one. I didn't get my hands on them. I'm not sure if our Dollar Trees didn't carry them to begin with. But I was super happy to find these when they came out. I also purchased 3 little bling stickers. I've passed these up so many times, and then they were there hanging all neat and tidy and blinging at me, and they said, no, take me home. You could use me. So I purchased 3 packages, and aren't just like, they're so pretty in real life. They do look like little glass mosaics. They're really nice. So I hope to do something blingy for one part of my house. I have like rustic, I have, oh my gosh, I'm so like a mix of things for my home. Maybe you call it eclectic, but like I have a little bit more farmhouse in the basement. Then I have like the blue and whites. Then I have more French country kind of like kitchen. I don't know. If you've seen some of my clean with me's, maybe you can give me some input on what you think my style of decor is. I'm very simple. As you can see, there's not a lot of stuff on the walls. I don't do galleries. I love the way they look. I just don't think I can pull them off. I probably would screw up the entire scenery and gallery or whatever setup and would leave holes all over my walls. But yeah, so I like stick to big paintings. Very simple. And yeah, anyways, I bought this little stencil as well. It's the most wonderful time of the year because I love this saying. And it's very versatile for doing some really cute DIYs. And then on the back, it has some random pieces. So of course, like if you want to just use one little piece here, one little piece there, you can combine it with this one here, or of course you don't have to. I did look at their clothing. I typically don't always go to their clothing, but because I've been looking for an orange t-shirt for my daughter and my son, I've kind of been browsing through their t-shirts, and then this little shirt stuck out to me. This is called Zinana Outfitters. I've never heard of this company. I just like the little flowers. I think this is super cute for around the house, and kind of like as a jammy around the house top. Also, it would look really cute as a cami underneath like a little shirt or something like that would be cute as well for any time of the year. I am on a kick with these placemats. So not only like this color here, but this one is, it's hard to see. Maybe I'll film it a little bit different. It is the gold and it's kind of a little bit shimmery. I don't know if it's coming through there. Do you see that? It's a little bit like a linen and it's got gold threading. It's very beautiful. It is a very beautiful and I think would be a great addition to some of my Christmas pillows. So I grabbed 2 of these, as you can see here. And the reason I love them is see how they're doubled already? So you don't need 2 to make a pillow. You just stuff them in. And I have shared with you how I've done that a few times on the channel. It's not the first time. Won't be the last. I have beach pillows, Christmas pillows, all sorts of cute little pillows with these placemats. Super affordable and like you're not paying $50 for a pillow because we know where you can spend that in some places. I got the little light bulb DIY ornament. I think I just use it as a little Christmas ornament on the tree. But I'm not sure how I'm going to decorate it yet. Has anyone done anything with these? I just think they're just unique and you pay a lot more, I know, at a craft store. I got some of this cherry filling or topping. I just thought if I make some cheesecake or like a cheesecake type of cup dessert, I think this will come in handy. And they are so much more expensive no matter if it's apple or cherry or blueberry or pumpkin at the grocery store compared to Dollar Tree. So that's a really great find and it's not something I always find. I bought 2 more of these Armor Alls, so I caved. When I saw them coming out to all the stores, I was just like, you know what, I can use a couple more. This one is the new car smell. There's a mango, citrus, there's like a blue skies, there's more of a musky smell, and then there's this one here. I really like this one. I got this little peace sign. It is iridescent, however, you can easily transform this as I have done with previous little signs from the Dollar Tree. I like that it's gold on the back and stuff like that, but unfortunately, once you flip it, of course, it doesn't say the same thing anymore. But I have shared with you how I've transformed some of them before. I do plan on using this one for Christmas. I just think it goes with that other sign that I have that says Peace on Earth, the wood decal. I love it and I'm trying to think of how I can incorporate those 2 pieces together. So I bought Bear another little leash. It's impossible to find these at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if they sell out really quick or if it's something that's not normally stocked anymore. These are 48 in length. The little bugger, he has somehow, when he like maneuvers around on me, I don't know what happens. Like when we go out for our business out front, he somehow tangled my leash up into like little knots. That's never happened with any of my dogs in the past. Somehow, I think because he's little, he's quick. And so his leash was tight, like, and it would get stuck like where I can't unknot it. And it would, the leash is getting shorter and shorter and shorter. And then he has a super long one, which I'd never walk with him. That's more just if he's sitting out back. And I'm like, you know what? It's time I get a new little leash. But I didn't want to pay $5 at the store. And this is basically just a quick little clip on. His collar is quite sturdy. So this is just like a quick fix when he's going out for his business. I can't let him out off the leash. He's not trustworthy. He'll like chase a squirrel, a cat, whatever he sees, he is gone. Okay, paper. Parchment paper, I love to have this as a staple in my drawer with all my goodies, like Ziploc bags and all that stuff. This is 25, I believe, square feet. 25 square feet. Yep, 25 square feet, which is a great amount for the price that you're paying. If I went to the grocery store, I'd pay a heck of a lot more money for parchment paper. We know how ridiculously expensive it can be. So I got a little 6-cup muffin pan. I don't plan on baking with these. If anyone has baked with them and if they've held up in the oven and washing, let me know. It'd be great to know if they're, you know, something that you can have for that. They are a little bit thinner. I just thought they would be cute for a DIY, so that is why I purchased them. And then also I got some sand, decorative sand. It's in white. I got a little Aurora. What are these little guys called? Bouillon cubes. So you can, yeah, bouillon mix. So you can make it, add it to your chicken soup or whatever. I usually make bone broth or vegetable broth, and then sometimes I just like to add that as a little extra. Especially this time of year is soup time. And then, oh my goodness, I didn't need this, trust me, but the deer and the little gold and the tree, it just kind of, and it's faded and I love it. It looks really old and vintage, even though it's probably not supposed to be like this. There's supposed to be gold, like more dominant or prominent on the little, you know, candle holder. But I just thought it would be cute even to put your makeup brushes, like, or something else in the kitchen, like or even your toothbrush. If you want to have like a little bit more of a Christmas theme in your bathroom, I think this is super cute. Also in your kitchen, if you have, you know, a couple little brushes, like your the brush that cleans straws, the brush that cleans bottles, if you wanted to toss them into here, at least they're all neat and tidy. You can even throw them underneath the counter into the cabinet, and then when you need to pull it out, they're all nice and tidy. I mean, you can use this for so many things, not just as a candle holder. I thought of it as a candle holder or kind of a makeup brush. Could even be used in your craft room as your paint brushes, little cup. And the thing is, it's super tall. It is super tall, so you have a lot more like from things toppling out of it. I also purchased this little splatter screen. I think I might need the hoop and stuff for a DIY, but I still don't know if that's gonna come together, so that's kind of on the back burner. And then I purchased some of the Tana cleaner, and it's the sport one. So this is supposed to just spray and wipe clean. It's that easy, no rinsing, no messy residue, ideal for athletic leather shoes, dries in about 10 minutes, also works on nylon and vinyl uppers. So I just thought this was great for the kids' shoes. Sometimes like I give them a good washing and a magic brush scrub in the sink, but maybe this will do the trick. Tana is a great product line. I think they come, and then even has like a stiff brush on the top. But Tana, I think, who sold it? Was it Aldo, or did they sell something else? Spring or Aldo? I think they sold the Tana line. It is a good company for shoe products, so you wouldn't be disappointed with their product line. But yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed all these. I hope you're enjoying my catch up with the hauls. I hope you enjoy the shop with me's. I love shop with me's because then you get to see what's in the store and current. Hauls, you don't always see everything because I don't buy everything. So I try to share with you as much as possible in the store, very detailed, in depth of what I'm seeing, and then a haul kind of just like exactly what I don't really need but want that I bring home. So anyways, until next time everyone, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.